Hello everyone and welcome back to another Minecraft video, and today we're going to be going over how to install Fabric onto your Minecraft server. If you didn't watch the first video, I covered on how to create a vanilla Minecraft server, so I will leave that as a card up in the top right. Yeah, that there. But yeah, let's get into it. First off, we're going to go ahead and just create a new folder on the desktop here. We're going to call this one Fabric Tutorial. And then we'll open up the folder. In this folder, this is where we're going to be putting our server files. So you'll go ahead and go over to fabricmc.net. And on the server page, I will leave a link in the description that will take you right here. And you're going to select your Minecraft version you want. We're going to go for 121.5, and we're going to go for the latest Fabric version. And we're going to download the executable jar here. And once we do that, you're going to go find it, and you're going to drag it into your Fabric server here. Another thing we're going to do on this page is we're going to go to this launch command here, and we're going to copy this text here. Okay, we're going to go ahead and open our Notepad editor. Well, I'm going to be using Notepad++, but you can just use the default Notepad that it comes with your computer. We're going to paste in that code that we copied there, and you'll see that this matches exactly the same as what is the jar file is here. I don't like it to be this long, so you can leave it as is, but I'm going to just rename this to fabric.jar, and then we're going to go ahead and save this to our folder here. And once you have saved that, don't forget to rename this to the same thing you put in there. Again, fabric.jar, and we're going to rename this to, you can name it start or run. I'm going to name it run. And then change the txt to bat. If you don't see the file extension there, it will also let you give you a little warning before you do that. But if you don't see the file extension, just click on View, go to Show, and then click File Name Extensions here. Once you have that done, just go ahead and double-click that .bat file. Okay, I made a mistake. I missed the R in Fabric here. That's why it didn't run. So we'll go ahead and run this, and it will run your server for the first time and download everything. It'll give you a bunch of text here, and then it will close. That is because we need to go ahead and edit the EULA here. So we're going to open this, and we're just going to change this to true. This basically just says that you agree to these terms here. There's a link here that describes them if you want to look into it and see what that is. It just basically means you're not going to do anything sketchy with the server. So go ahead and just change that to true, save that, and then run your server again. And it will go ahead and run up here. And just like that, your server is ready to be connected to. You will notice that this looks pretty much like the vanilla server, except there is a .fabric and a mods folder. And I don't think this version's folder is here normally, but you'll see it looks familiar, but there are also a couple different things here. So we'll just go ahead and first we'll go ahead and opt ourselves. And then we'll go ahead and see you in the game. We are here in game now. We're just going to direct connect and go local host since we're on the same machine here. We'll click join server. And as you can see, we connected just fine. And I do have a couple of my own mods on my client here, but there are no mods installed on the server. To install mods, you'll want to go into the mods folder on the server here, and don't mind me, I just kind of changed clothes because it's a different day now. I meant to try and record this in one take, but I decided to redo stuff as I was editing, so don't worry about it. But you'll see the mods folder is blank, and this is where you'll put all of your mods that you want installed on the server. I'm going to go ahead and just install a very simple mod here for demonstration. We're going to go ahead and download Lithium here, and Lithium is a nice optimization mod that makes the server run a bit more smoothly, and I do recommend installing this here. So I will leave a link to this in the description, but you'll just come, it's just on Modrinth, go to Lithium, and then make sure you install, there is a NeoForge and a Fabric version. Make sure you get the Fabric version, make sure it's for the correct version that your server is running. Go ahead and download this. And then you'll just take that from wherever you downloaded it and drag and drop it into your mods folder. And then when you next run your Minecraft server here, it will load up. And as you can see here, it says Lithium has been installed. And then we'll wait for it to... Yep, okay, there we go. And then it's all running and good to go here. So now we go back to the game. Okay, and now we are back in the game here. And we have the Lithium mod installed. You won't notice anything because Lithium is a server-side only mod. So I didn't need to do anything to actually... I didn't need to add a mod to like connect to the server or anything. I was just able to connect, and the server is going to run slightly better than it was by default because Lithium goes ahead and optimizes everything in the world here. So the main thing you want to be concerned about is that those mods do show up in your console for the server side mods, and make sure they are running correctly. If you do want to do a bigger mod that adds something to the game, you will need to install it on your Minecraft as well, or the server will not let you connect. I can go ahead and show you what that looks like. Okay, I have loaded up a mod that I don't currently have installed on my client that I do require to have in order to connect to the server. So when I do localhost and click join server, it's going to tell me that I am missing mods. I'm missing the Waystones mod because I installed that on the server, but I don't have it installed client side. So I will need to go ahead and install that on my Minecraft client, and then I will be able to join the server. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching this tutorial video. I really hope it helped you out. If it did, please leave a like down below. And subscribe for more videos like this, because I really want to do a nice tutorial on how to do things with servers. Not just the initial setup, but I also want to help you guys be able to, set up mods, set up permissions, how to actually be able to host your own server and know how to administrate your own server and configure it and all that. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video, and we'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.